It's obvious. The Green and Yellow Sundowns, one of the best team in the country, in the continent, probably maybe one of the, and it's the best team in the country, in the continent, one of the best. For me, if not number one, number two, in the Mabanga mindset, man, about right.
Yeah.
How they play go Club World Cup set it speaks volume. Gucci against high profile teams. I mean, Sundowns is against the Lefuna ngayo. Yabona ngoba ukufika la ifike khona siyazi ukuthi they never abaphumanga out kuma group stages, but how they play I'm fit to set the standard, and the players individual abanawo uRibeiro how he scores, and Ngbonile is going back to Sundowns again, and Reyners improve wrong. Yabona went to and like going to Sundowns scoring vital goals lapha kulela enkuleko mfethu bebangadlani namnam lema team that they were best in terms of structured teams akusema team is good to break nje. So playing there asetele sa standard coming to Betway Premiership 4 years mina nyabanike nero are they still bane squad strong, and mfethu sikhuluma nge-national team. So Sundowns mfethu mina ngihlale ngikhala nami philosophy. Well done to this coach Mikel Cardoso. When I saw him there mangimbona ku Club World Cup uyadlala engakhona,
it was different.
A different person. Yeah, ngimcomplimentile because lapha I
ngikhuluma the Champions League if he could believe in himself attacking.
Yabona le uyadlala engakhona la.
Yeah.
Mfethu le yamchita lo yiyo ngithi mina bazidla ngoba bona. It's a lapse of concentration ukuthatha izinto lula. Yeah, I said in love to be beaten by this team. When you check on the stand, the players that they've got, probably one of the best understanding, strengths of one another. The way they defend is how they attack.
So they will win the league again.
Simple for me, and this year, for me, Mangipega. If I look at, I think it's eyes opener for them. It's a mindset. With always Parents first, that is into light. They will win their first round games. I think Bangalore.